Dun, dun, dun. So I got a robot in this room below me and needs 230 volts 3-phase. I've got 480 volts 3-phase there. So we are going to install this 9 kilowatt auto transformer to step that down. So the nameplate on this transformer is going to tell us which of these wires we need to wire. For the input side on the 480, we need H0, H4, H5, H6. And to get our 240 out, we're going to wire X0, X4, X5, X6. So right now that's my 480 coming into my circuit breaker, goes down and up into that contactor. What we're going to do is we're going to go from the contactor enable for my servo drives up to that transformer in the roof, back down to my line filter, and then when the servo drive bus supply enables, it'll just be controlled by the contactor. It'll go through the transformer, so the transformer is not always hot. Go through the filter and we'll be able to control the robot. It's gonna work just great. So that SO cable is gonna come in through that knockout with these cord grips on both sides. 480 in over here, 240 out over here. Don't forget the instructions say to use wire compound in all the wire nuts.
Yeah, I'll get right on that.
Good, excellent.
Does it actually say to do that?
It does say that.
Huh.
Terminals should be cleaned and electrical joint compound are recommended for use on all electrical connections. So the SO cable up there had black, white, green, not enough conductors, so we gotta yeet this guy up there. On this episode of Electricians Don't Clean Up After Themselves. There, I wonder who caught that the original SO didn't have 3 phases on it.
Okay.
Can't be cursing on YouTube. Yeah, so we're just gonna drop 2 SO cables from my 480 in to my 230 out through a hole in the floor. Then we're gonna just reach up through the drop ceiling, find it, and pull it through into our control panel. All right, so we're not going to use the Y neutrals because we don't care about 208 volts. So we're just gonna use H4, H5, H6 for 480 in. We're gonna skip H0, and then we're also going to use the ground bar. All right, we need to take a hiatus because we need some NOAA locks because those are aluminum conductors, and we need some electrical joint compound to make sure those don't oxidize. Yep, gotta go through the drywall too. No problem.
Can you grab my multi-tool?
Yeah.
You were recording all that. Yes. Oh my god, another fucking layer of drywall? Dude, I can't believe I got that spot on.
Yeah, of course. That's why you measured. Yay. Keep the excess coiled up above the drop panel. Just tell YouTube where we're going. So we got 480 coming in to the top of that circuit breaker, the MCCB there, coming down, up to the contactor, up to the transformer, up to the roof. We're going to come back to 480 into the line filter, and that's it. You're also going to have to install a air compressor up there so I can run pneumatic hoses into my little end of arm tool here for the robot so I can open and close it. I bet YouTube didn't even know that you can control a robot with a ControlLogix PLC.
They're probably gonna be confused.
They're gonna find out.
Find out.
I could do
Alright, just cleaning that.
a motion direct command to enable the DC bus. It'll pull in that contactor, and then we'll have power going through the transformer and see if we fault. Electricians don't clean shit. Yes, this is a ControlLogix PLC controlling a Kamau Scara robot in Studio 5000 Logix Designer with a factory talk station emulator, and I can jog my joints right here and write a robot program in ladder logic. Yeah, so these servo drives are way louder than I'd like them to be. I just shut the robot off, but those fans are loud, so I'll probably have to do something about that. That's it.